Hello kids, welcome back to Learn with Maktoum. So today I'm going to solve the question and answers of EVS lesson number 1, Animals Around Us. This is your activity book. So we are going to solve the activity book question answers of the first chapter. Okay, so let's start. Question number 1. Look at the pictures on page 1 of the EVS textbook. So page number 1, there's a picture. You have to look into the picture first. It is a village scene. So it is a village. Fill in the blanks by selecting words from the bracket. So in the bracket there are some words, okay? You have to fill these blanks with those words, okay? So let us understand the question answers. First one, A dash is bathing in a pond. So in this picture, where is the pond? This is the pond, okay? This is a pond. Here you can see there is an animal. Which is it? It is a buffalo. Yes. So the buffalo is bathing in a pond. So you should write here this one. Buffalo. 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 So in the diagram you can see the buffalo is bathing in a pond. Okay, next question. Dash and a dash are swimming in the pond. So in the pond, what else you see? You can see here some fishes and a turtle. Yes, it tortoise you can say. So fishes and tortoise are swimming in a pond. So here the option is like fish is here, tortoise is here. So I can write here fish, F-I-S-H, fish, and a tortoise are swimming in the pond. Okay. A dash is grazing near a pond. So there is a pond. Near to that there is an animal which is grazing. So which is that animal? So it is a donkey. It is a donkey which is grazing near the pond. So you can write DONKEY, donkey. Okay, next, 6 dash and a dash are walking on the road. So this is a road you can see here. So here, count these animals. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes, 6 sheep and 1 goat is there. So you can write 6 sheep, SHEEP, and a goat, 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 are walking on the road. Okay, next, a dash is pulling a tonga. So in the picture, where is the tonga? Here. Which animal is pulling the tonga? Horse. So you should say HORSE. A horse is pulling a tonga. 2 dash are pulling a bullock cart. So there is a cart. So 2 animals are pulling that. Those are called as bullocks. So you should say BULLLOCKS. Bullocks. A woman is milking a dash. A woman is sitting here, you can see. So she is collecting milk from whom? A cow. C-O-W, cow. There are four dash near a hut. There is a hut and there are four animals. Which are they? They are hens. So there are four hens. H-E-N-S, hens near a hut. A dash is standing near the woman. So you can see there is an animal standing near the woman. Which is it? It is a dog. Yes, a dog. D-O-G. Dog is standing near the woman. And dash is flying in the sky. So in the sky you can see there is a bird. Which is it? It is an eagle. So you can say an eagle. E-A-G-L-E. Eagle is flying in the sky. Clear with this, kids? Okay. Now, question number 2. Many animals live around us. Some animals are found only in the villages and small towns as they help farmers. Some animals live in the jungle. Some birds and animals are found in cities also. Look at the pictures given below. Identify and write their names using the key. Circle the animals that are found in your surroundings. So here there are some keys they have given. Using those keys you have to write the name of the animals. Then you have to circle the animals which you can see in your surrounding. Okay? Clear with that, kids? Yes. So first one is what? It is a crow. C-R-O-W. Crow. Then second one is a hen. H-E-N. Hen. Third one is a snake. S-N-A-K-E. Snake. Then this is a sparrow. S-P-A-R-R-O-W. Sparrow. So here you can see the hen. Yes, you can circle it. Maybe you can see snake around your surrounding. You can circle it. Crow also. You can circle it. So circle the animals which you see near your surroundings. Okay. There are some more animals to be named. Yes, this animal is a goat. G-O-A-T. Goat. This is a donkey. D-O-N-K-E-Y. Donkey. This is a sheep. S-H-E-E-P. Sheep. And it is a fish. F-I-S-H. Fish. Clear with this, kids? Okay, question number 3. Some small animals manage to enter our house. They move around in the house. Cockroaches are sometimes found in the kitchen. A lizard crawls on the wall. Identify these creatures, write their names, use the given key. So you may have seen some small animals that will be entering your house, yes, like cockroach or a rat, a mosquito, and maybe a lizard, yes. So these are the small animals which you can see in your houses, like roaming here and there. You may have seen cockroaches in the kitchen, yes. Okay, so let's identify these now. First one is what? It is a cockroach. C-O-C-K R-O-A-C-H. Cockroach. Second one is a rat. R-A-T. Rat. It is, you can also tell it as a mouse. M-O-U-S-E. Mouse. Then third one is a mosquito. M-O-S-Q-U-I-T-O. Mosquito. And the last one is a lizard. L-I-Z-A-R-D. Lizard. Clear with this? Okay. Next. Next we will be having questionnaire. Question number 1, who am I? Identify each animal on page 3 of the EVS textbook. So let's go to page 3 of EVS textbook. Yes, here we are in the page number 3. Read about each animal, solve the riddle, use the key to write the answer. So here, these are the animals, okay? About these animals, there are some riddles given for you. You have to read the riddle and identify which animal they are telling. Okay? First one, I crawl on the wall. People's People are scared of me. I am a... So you may have got the answer when I say wall. It is a lizard. Lizard. That is here. Yeah. I am a fast runner. I pull a tonga. I am a... So I hope you got the answer when I said tonga. It is a horse. Yes. HORSE. Horse. Here it is. Okay. I jump from tree to tree. I chatter. I am a... So jumping from one tree to another tree. Who will do it? Monkey. Yes. So write monkey there. MONKEY. Monkey. Okay. I have beautiful long feathers. I am the national bird of India. My name is... So which is the national bird of India? It is none other than peacock. Yes. So write it down. PEACOCK. Peacock. My feathers are white or grey. I am the symbol of peace. My name is... Who is it? Pigeon. So write it down. PIGEON. Pigeon. When I sit on food, people fall sick. I am... So there is an animal which sit on food, and if we eat that food we will fall sick. Which is that? It is a housefly. 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 Okay. I love to eat carrots and green grass. I am your friend. Who eats carrot? Among these, rabbit. So rabbit is the answer. RABBIT. Rabbit. People call me a dirty animal. I am. So among these, which is a dirty animal? Pig. 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 I like to eat nuts. I live on trees. I am a squirrel. 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 I hope I'm clear with the riddles, kids. Okay. Match the animals with their sound. One has been done for you. So here they are given on one column the animal diagram, and another column they have given their sounds. So you have to match the animal with their sounds. Okay. Here one is given for you. Quack. Okay, the one is given for you. The duck will do quack quack, and the bee, this will say crows. A bird will always crow. Yes. Then a cow will do moose. So we can go for this moose. Then lastly the sheep will bleat. Sheep will go for bleat. So let's write the answer. For small a, the answer is capital C. For this one, the answer is capital D. Then for this answer is A. Then lastly for this the answer is B. Okay, now coming on this side. For E we got G. Then cat, muse, H. Elephant, trumpets, that is E. And the lion roars, that is F. Clear with this, kids? With this, we finish with the first chapter question answers, animals around us. I hope I'm clear with the question answers, kids. Write it down in your book and practice these. You have to know about the animal names and you should be able to identify the animals around you, and you should also be guessing their sounds. Clear with this? So with this we finish the question answers of first chapter of EVS. So like this we will be making videos on Q&A of all the chapters. Okay, in this video only one chapter video I made. Maybe in the future I may take 2 to 3 chapters in a single video. Okay kids, I hope you like this video. I'm going to see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye. Thank you for watching.